Hello students, I am Dr. Renu Kohli, Associate Professor in Zoology at Government Bangalore College, Pali. Today's topic is soil or land pollution. What are soils? Soils are the extreme outer part of the earth crust. They are regarded as skin of the earth. Soil is a material composed of 5 ingredients: minerals, organic matter, living organism, gas and water. Land pollution refers to all form of pollution affecting any type of soil, agriculture, forestry, urban, etc. Soil pollution is a disruptive element for many biological resources and ecosystem. Definition of soil pollution. Soil pollution is defined as the presence of toxic chemicals in soil in high enough concentration to pose a risk to human health or to the ecosystem. It is serious environmental concern since it harbors many health hazards. The soil is polluted because of the human activities and usually results in both long-term and short-term impacts. Essentially, it leads to the deterioration of the soil's mineral content, quality, and texture. Causes of soil pollution. There are many causes of soil pollution. Of those, these are some factors that contribute more than others. Deforestation and soil erosion. When forests are cleared for development and to meet the demand for wood supply, the soil is loosened in the process. Without the protection of the tree, the land becomes barren over time and starts to erode. Agriculture chemicals. Agricultural practices such as use of non-organic product in the crop and artificial chemical pesticide, herbicide, fungicide and fertilizers can cause land to become barren. Industrial sources. Industrial revolution may have resulted in significant positive changes to the economy and to the society, but it has led to several pollution of the land. Through unsafe disposal practices for chemicals used in the manufacturing, poor regulation and overwhelming number of industries and factories that are polluting the land daily, industrialization has become one of the main contributors of pollution problem. Mining source. Mining process can lead to creation of large open spaces beneath the surface of the earth. This can result in land caving in, which compromises the integrity of the land. Mining also results in harmful chemicals such as uranium being distributed and released in the environment. Landfill and human sewage. The garbage found in landfill is filled with toxin that eventually seeps into the earth. Untreated human waste can also produce toxic gases that can seep into the ground. As with air pollution, the soil quality is also negatively impacted. The land nearby can be contaminated. In addition to this, the probability of human illness occurring increases. Nuclear sources. Every living organism is continuously exposed to the background radiation. If the level of these radiation exceeds to given limit, they lead to harmful effects. Radiation pollution results from that is natural effect of land pollution. The contamination of land has far-reaching consequences that can be catastrophic for water, soil, and animals. The contamination of the land has far-reaching consequences that can be catastrophic for water, soil, and animals. There are several possible consequences of the land pollution to the environment: groundwater poisoning, water nutrient enrichment, loss of topsoil, shifting habitat, increased risk of wildfires, acid rain, and also it can affect human health. Thank you.